shoot it? Wait, what?
Hey guys, what is up? Today we have gotten a brand new miter saw, and this is a pretty big box, in case you couldn't tell. And we can't open a new tool without doing an unboxing video. However, this one's going to be short.
That's right, guys. Welcome to Paul's Workshop, and we're putting up some shelves. Before here, we had some license plates up here on the wall. Well, we decided we're taking the license plates down, and we're going to use this to display our collection of antique electronics, phones, radios, and things like that. And Lowe's actually sent out a coupon. If you use the Lowe's credit card, with the coupon, you have 1 year, no interest, to pay it off. So it was kind of like now was the time to buy it. So if you're following us for a while, you know that we've been using our regular miter saw that I've had for probably 25 years. But two issues with it. One, it's not a compound miter saw. Two, it's starting to get a little bit inaccurate. And three, what was three? Well, three is it can't cross-cut wide pieces of wood. So these 12-inch wide shelves, we can't do them on a regular miter saw. And bringing out the table saw is a pain in the behind. So it's time to upgrade to a compound sliding miter saw. And we're going to unbox it for you right now.
So right here we have a Kobalt miter saw number 141
3794. Not easy to read upside down, huh, Polly?
No, so I'm just gonna
start. Yeah, there you go. Don't cut yourself. Your mother will get annoyed. There you go. Good job. And you gotta cut. Well, you gotta cut the tape on the side. Get your fingers away from there. Good. Okay. Okay. While he cuts that, let's look at some of the features. Tool-free adjustable laser guide, compact dual slide rail system, 62 carbide tip blade, 15 amps. All right, let's see what we got in there.
All right, so in here.
I feel like there's gonna be. Oops. I feel like some assembly required. Oh, maybe not. We have a sawdust bag, and we have a workpiece clamp.
And underneath this.
Instructions.
We never use those here at Paul's Workshop. Now underneath the styrofoam, we have the main attraction.
Oh, let's get in there. Ta-da!
I know you can't smell it through the camera, but this smells like new tool.
Does it smell like Harbor Freight?
It doesn't really have that Harbor Freight scent.
Okay.
If you've been to Harbor Freight, you'd know that scent. Oh. I feel like since it's very light, I'm not helping.
Okay.
Let's remove the plastic, and we have the brand new saw. There's a piece of cardboard.
Okay, it's packaged with some cardboard. There's going to probably be an unlock on this somewhere. What do you think? Should we read the instructions maybe, Paul?
I mean, we already put them in the trash can, though.
Okay, let's see. We have... So here's the saw. Let's take a look at what we have here. I may actually have to read the instructions. No, maybe not. There's got to be a release someplace on it, right? Oh, wait. Aha! Ha-ha! Ha-ha! No instructions ever needed. Never! Okay, so let's get in there. We got a nice new blade. Okay, so it has some features. It has different locking indexes for some of the most popular angles that you would need to cut. The table here has a nice, easy to grab and operate lock. it's really indexed in there. Right, so you can lock it in at 45. You can lock it in at 22.5. You can lock it in at 0 both ways. And you can also go side to side on this. You have a side bevel. So you have single bevel, you have dual bevel, and you should be able to rotate it. This is why you read the instructions. Okay, so you can cut this way, and you can cut dual angles with it. It's got some grease on it. I guess, did that come from us? That must have come from us. Okay, then you can bring it back to 0. Lock it in place. Okay, and the beauty of it is we can cut stock. I think you can go up to like 14 inches on this. It also has a laser guide. So, and then you have two, look. Can you see that in the camera?
Yeah.
So you have a nice extension rails on it. So yeah, we're gonna give this a try. I need to cut about 8 inches off of the shelf. So I'm gonna end up putting this on the floor, and we're gonna cut the shelf to the length that we need it. Did a nice job cutting. Minimal chipping, even though this is laminate type of a particle board thing. Not the best thing for cutting, but no complaints on this saw. Ready to go right out of the box. Well, guys, it was a really quick unboxing today. You'll get to see this saw in action as we do some other projects with it. I think it's a great saw. I looked at Harbor Freight saw. Now, Harbor Freight saw is about $70 cheaper. Reviews are, I think you're better off spending a few bucks more. Get yourself the Kobalt laser guide. It feels sturdy. It has the extension table. Not much to say. It's a sliding compound miter saw, but we definitely wanted to unbox it for you guys so you could take a look at it. And I say go for it. If you got the credit card, you got the 12 months no interest, it's definitely a done deal. What do you think, Paul?
Yeah, it's a good investment.
All right, we'll see you next time.